What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time. I missed y'all. So now your boy has moved officially. You see, I'm in a garage. I'm not in the storage anymore. We don't do it in the storage no more. So you know I'm in a garage now. We finally got to our destination that we're removing. God, it's bright. Finally got to our destination. The Penny. As y'all know, the Penny blew up. The motor has blown up. But we do have another motor officially on the way now. So right now we're just gonna clean her out. We're gonna go take her. We're gonna go give her a bath. So that's what we're doing today. Then we're gonna take her off the trailer. We're gonna put her in my new garage. As y'all said, like I said, I did move. I've been waiting to move so we can get this motor on the way. And on top of that, so we can possibly start making it, building it bigger. But the sad part about this new location, I'm not disclosing where I'm at. This new location is that they don't have E85. There is a state or a city right next to us that has E85. I can always just go there. I got a jerry can. I can do that, but the only sad part is they don't have E85. All right, so we got most of the stuff out. I still got a couple things in there. We also got to take out this nitrous bottle before I take it to go wash the car out. Nitrous bottle needs to come out. I'm trying to rinse most of this stuff off. So I know y'all see that. This one worked. I got my quarters now. We're gonna wash the Penny now. Okay, so I got the car clean. For it to be sitting for almost a year in a storage, it cleaned out pretty good. You know, I got scars and stuff. That's from the bumper and being dragged and other stuff. But I didn't realize my window was cracked. So now I have a bunch of, is that a fly? What the hell? Now I have a bunch of soap all over my inside my car. I cleaned that up with a towel, but she cleaned up pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. All right guys, so now that we got the Honda back inside the garage, took the hood off already. The next video is we're gonna be pulling this motor out, tearing this motor apart. Hopefully our transmission is good. As you know, that is a PPG dog box. So hopefully that's good with the billet housing. The hole is still there and the piston is still crooked. Today, we are ripping out the motor. As I said in my last video, it's all ready to go. I made sure not to do none of the boring stuff by taking the wirings, all that. All we have to do is pull this out. So now I'm gonna go grab my hoist and we're gonna try to pull this motor out. So let's get to it, man. Got the motor out officially. Get a better look at this hole, man. You can see the rods in there. It's all banged up. Everything in there is all banged up. So we'll see what we can salvage. There's also a hole at the bottom right here, as you can see. So hopefully some of this stuff is still good, but I doubt the crank in this motor is probably gonna be good. Now I'm starting to look in there and see it's all scarred up and everything. So let's get this motor on the hoist and then let's start to rip everything apart. Well, I guess I need a new windage tray as well. You kind of see in there, everything's all fuckered up. So let's get this off. Let's pull out some more junk. We got most of the stuff off now. As I can see, that rod completely snapped. Like, snapped. But guess what? The ARPs, they actually hold some truth. They did not come up disconnect or anything. But there's also a hole right there and another hole down here. So it shot 3 holes in the block. People keep asking me like, was it sleeved? I'm like, yes, it was sleeved. It actually popped the hole below the sleeve. As you can see, the sleeve is good, but the hole is below the sleeve. Well, the sleeve's fucked now, but there's nothing, no damage to the sleeves. Or the sleeve didn't pop, it's the block that popped. So let's get this crank out, or get everything off the crank. Let's remove all the front accessories. I was removing the rear main seal, or cover. Now I gotta pull all these accessories and stuff off. So, all right guys, so I kind of skipped forward and disassembled most of the block already. I got that one rod out. The bolts are all messed up on it, as you can see. They're all messed up, but I got most of it out. Is that alcohol?
Yes.
We don't drink alcohol.
Yes, we do.
But I gotta pull the crank out. The crank is good as far as I can see. It's dinged up on the parts where they normally shave the balances. Bare block, and new clutch. I need not a lot of new things. All my parts sitting right here. As soon as we get the block, we knocking this out. I need new cams, new thermostat. Turbo's still good, but I'm gonna I actually have a bigger exhaust housing. I actually need to test on that turbo wherever it's at. But other than that, just got a little miscellaneous things to do, and then I'll be able to get this thing back on the road. They probably can't see you because the sun's behind you, but gotta get new motor mounts. I'm tired. I'm ready to get off. I'm ready to go in the house now. I'm ready to go in the house. So.
Been out here all day.
Yeah. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.